Makan ceklat patai kubur hati belakut kacing alang ikan halor kecapo kacing jebo kal air hagitahan bernihat ubah sesinas sotun MLE kajirang bat ubadi ru menteri sarkar kejelat ulong ba lingba ketika kacing alang rasim yashibun kirai kawai na kirai kalong bala kentu ya kipat ba hagitahan bernihat bagian condur nering video ya kitu kikarkana bapen mi tedam jabo ya kibapentu jakliah sakiwa ya kita kidur ne video kila panpa met syaki beliau ka negara state pollution control board nang badyo ne ya kebadan kam kibakar kum bikin don ai
kum bagalong hi ka banihat kam dai tang menta kasin ba kami haka list nam ta ka kum ka jing ka snong ba jaklia tam bada mentasi don hang soben apan pau je bleng don lang I chairman jong ka pollution control board idon lang nakaliang ki scientist nakang idon liang nakaliang dong ki industry association ki balai idon lang nangka nakaliang ka ki member nakaliang ki joka pollution control board baro nangka kumjuru naki nakai MIDC nangka ki nakaliang ki line department ki pair ki bedon lang ka kapor nangka kamtam ki sunjuk ki rong ba snong ki ba don han hapo jang ka bonihat area ilayo banyak keren hagbede bat ka jinge hagbede bat ke jing jaklia ki bami na kini ki industries baro bat kladon ki presentation ki ba na kaliang ka industries na kaliang ka pollution control board kladon ka presentation haba maki kladap ban batai langi baro bat hagni ke jing keren kilami bu cibun ki jing penpau na kaliang ki rangba snong cibun ki jing penpau na kaliang ki baro ki bayadon mentalang hakan ngesengi kamtam hagbede bak jing jaklia ki issues bami ka jing penpau glong bahagbede bak ka kot ka khia ba ta ka ki nongsong snong jong ka banihat hi baro koi bat kumjuru kilami ru ki jing kren hagbede bak ka kirai ki ba mangi layo banya kerpat bani kren nang taban yak industri baro ba ki jaklia baro kimdei ban village wa direct but kumjuru hagbidai bat ka jingsma jong ka tedem ka bami nakno ka factory ngimtip enai ilabu ya ka jingkarpat cheka pollution control board bakindon ya ka purpose study ban check nakno ka jingsma kawan but ya ka jingta hagbidai bat ka ki jingsma ka ba mi nakini ki industries but kumjuru iladon kataka nakaleng ka miklia pollution control board ilabu iru ya ka committee ringkat bat ki rangba snong nagamenta kumno banang la susu ban monitor hakbidai bat ka jingjaklia ka bami nakini ki factory bat mila donru ka jing kerpat ya ki industries baro ba ki haban follow ya ki rules jong kamiglia pollution control board nangta kladon ru kataka jing ajingmut bat karai hakaba ki nuk ki rangba snong lane ki rupat ba ki basa hagani ka area kila ban sundur kila ban pa ikidur ka complain jaga Miglia State Pollution Control Board lada badon kino ka jing jaklia ka bami na kini ki factory ki badon hapo jang kene ka area Boniat Hibro koi
Congo second Tel Aviv we are here in the northeast it is not so polluted this part is entirely polluted now if we see this ranking at the moment Jakarta Indonesia in Bernihat and all everywhere else also. So I would like to start with the next slide, please. Now, when we look at the next slide, everyone, all of us have seen these images, right? We have seen these on our mobile phone, on the TV, on media, somebody saying, living in the most polluted city in the world, inside the most polluted city. Putting his hand on his mouth saying ethanol, Bernihat. Bernihat emerges as India's most polluted place, right? India's most polluted, and these are just some screenshots. If we look, there are 10,000 like this, right? I want you to look at this for 1 minute and keep
main pollution na portion ko na kawan na sa lugasan.
Kaya ko pa manong ipi, kaya ko pang hilya hapo.
Kung kumne ko lang timpalya siya bismi, ya damit. Karena orang sini kalian itu, mesti pasti kamu itu.
Kaya pangala ba na jingbo ipi?
Mereka disturb होता है, हम लोग रहने का लिए भी थोड़ा ये हो जाता है.
और ज़्यादा हम लोग का ये बस्ती का क्योंकि सामने में है, हम लोग का नॉर्मल है जो भी इसमें 80 उधर में है, एकदम ऐसे हम लोग का सामने में है। तो इसीलिए हम भी रिक्वेस्ट करता है ये थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्टली मॉनिटर करके मतलब वो उसको वो थोड़ा जल्दी वो ये करने से ठीक है, मेरा तरफ से ये कहना है।
In our village, and I hope that all 10 villages and Rabak Shnong also they will agree that one. Smelling is not yet stopped even now, but we could not say, we do not blame to any factory, but maybe you people you will know better that one. So please, we would like to work together with you about that one.
Would also like to get the clarification where and that smell come, because if the wind direction, what I do agree with the secretary, the wind direction is from the FAP, that bad smell which we are receiving every morning, almost even in the night time also. So just if I can get the clarification about this.
Ada partisnya melada pro kaladon jengkren jungi ba at least ka regional office ko malaong isa di bandon hangne. Namar kilap ban monitor. Kiwan be na Shlong kano kilap. Istam kiduna tinagaliang jungi isa ni terpatnya pi ko minister burong-burong ba pintasyo lem sa sertar ba kumno ka pollution control board jong ka office ka regional office ka di bandon hangne habarnihan. Kenapa kilap ban monitor ba kontrol kini baru fai. Nang ba kene ka kerting Jaka pa jebok tam dan the dirtiest place on earth will erase. So that is our request.
Replace from the top level, from the chief secretary level up to the district level. These are the committees here. Okay, next. So these are the activities works implemented in Binihat to control air pollution. Okay, to reduce the air pollution in Binihat. So there's end-to-end paving of road, then plantation, then mechanized road water sprinkler for procure and be used. Then study that we have just explained to you just now, emission inventory and source of pollution study to identify the reasons behind the causes of this air pollution in Binihat. Then of course public awareness is very